Miele AutoDos, the first automatic dispensing system with an integrated power disk. The Miele PowerDisk contains multi-purpose detergent which is dispensed automatically. The detergent will last for around 20 wash cycles, after which the power disk will need to be replaced. The appliance will of course issue a warning in plenty of time before the power disk is empty. Replacing the power disk is a simple and convenient process. Open the lid and remove the empty power disk. The Miele PowerDisk consists of a reservoir which contains the detergent, a dispensing chamber which dispenses the detergent, and a foil cover. Simply insert the new power disk. 2 pins in the power disk holder and a sliding mechanism provide access to the dispensing chamber. The detergent is dispensed via this opening. To ensure that no moisture can get in later on, a spring-loaded closure seals the opening to the wash chamber. Finally, close the lid. A lid sensor ensures that the power disk unit is sealed correctly. Miele AutoDos with the integrated power disk is once again ready for automatic dispensing. Miele AutoDos, simple and convenient.